Hey everyone, pay attention. In the past month, a Faceless YouTube channel has pulled in over 3 million views just by sharing simple animal facts videos. Their daily view count ranges from 70,000 to 450,000. A lot of their videos have crossed the 10 million views mark. These videos were uploaded years ago, but they're still making money today. That's what you call crazy passive income. If you do some quick math with around 3 million views in the last 30 days, and an RPM of $4, the channel earned around $15,000. And it doesn't stop there. These videos aren't sponsored, so they likely made over $25,000 just this past month from these simple animal facts videos. Pretty wild, right? There's another channel doing the same thing, but don't worry, in this video I'm going to walk you through how you can start your own channel from creating it to posting your first video, and the best part, you can do it completely for free. By the time you finish watching this video, you'll be ready to make something even better than what this channel is doing. Your videos could rack up millions of views. To show you it's possible, here's a quick clip of a video I created in just 10 minutes. It's even better than the one that pulled in over 1 million views. Check it out and let me know what you think in comment.
Did you know that elephants are more than just the giants of the animal kingdom? Welcome to an extraordinary journey into the world of one of the most majestic creatures on Earth, the elephant. These gentle giants are more than just their impressive size.
Here are actually just 4 simple steps to creating your video, and stick around because at the end I'm going to share one final trick. This tip will show you how to start making money from your very first video. Alright everyone, let's get started with the basics, the channel name. Coming up with a name can be a hassle, but don't worry, we're going to make this a breeze using ChatGPT. Just open ChatGPT and type, "Give me 10 unique name ideas for my new channel about incredible animal facts." Just like that, you'll have a list of potential names in seconds. Boom! Easy, right? I'm going with paw points. The reason I chose this is that I didn't find any names in this channel, so it is easy to find my channel. So, once you've picked your channel name, let's move on to creating your channel. But before that, make sure you have a Google account. If you don't, just head over to Google and create one. This will be your entry ticket to YouTube. Once your Google account is set up, go to YouTube, click on your profile icon, and select Create a Channel. Now, enter your channel name and click Create Channel. That's it. Your channel is created. Next, let's add a channel logo. Go back to ChatGPT and type, "Now create a profile picture for this channel." Boom! Your channel logo is ready. Now go back to YouTube, click on Customize Channel, then hit Upload and add your channel logo. You can do the same for your channel banner. Just create it and upload it. Now scroll down to the channel description section. Head back to ChatGPT and type, "Now give me the best description for my channel." Copy the description it provides and paste it into your channel. Once you're done, click Publish. Now refresh the page and your channel is ready to roll. Now, let's talk about step 1, creating high retention scripts that keep viewers glued to your video. A solid script is key. It gives your content structure and keeps it engaging. Trust me, a good script can make or break your video. It's what keeps viewers watching, engaged, and coming back for more. Remember, high retention is everything on YouTube. The longer people watch, the more YouTube promotes your video, leading to more views and more money. It's that simple. First, we need to focus on research and planning. Identify your topic. Pick a specific animal or an interesting fact about an animal. For example, let's go with the incredible life of an elephant. Now, it's time to outline your script. Begin with a strong hook that captures attention. To do this, open ChatGPT. For the hook, try a prompt like, "Write the compelling hook about the incredible life of elephant for a YouTube video." You might get something like this. "Did you know that elephants are more than just the giants of the animal kingdom? These incredible creatures have emotions as deep as our own, memories that span a lifetime, and an intelligence that rivals even the smartest animals on the planet. This grabs attention and pulls viewers in. Next, write the introduction. Type a prompt like, "Write the best introduction for a YouTube video about the incredible life of an elephant." You will get a result something like, "Welcome to an extraordinary journey into the world of one of the most majestic creatures on earth, the elephant." These gentle giants are more than just their impressive size, they are the keepers of ancient wisdom. Next, let's write the full body script. So just write, "Now, following the introduction, write the best body script for the video Incredible Life of Elephants" in conversational tone. Now you will get the complete script to go. Once your script is ready, simply copy it and paste it into Google Docs. Now, read through the script carefully. Make sure it flows naturally and keeps a conversational tone. Change any parts that need better clarity or engagement. And don't forget to add your personal touch, like adding humor to show your enthusiasm. Viewers love genuine connection, so make it your own. By following these steps, you'll be able to craft high-retention scripts that keep viewers glued to your content. The key is to make your videos informative, engaging, and fun as hell. Now, let's take that awesome script we created with ChatGPT and move on to the next step, voiceover. If you're confident in your voice, feel free to use it, but if not, no worries, let's head over to 11 Labs. Trust me, I've tried plenty of AI voice generators, and 11 Labs is hands down the best. First, go to 11 Labs and click Go to App, then click on Voice and head over to the library. Here, you'll find hundreds of ultra-realistic voices for your video. For our purposes, choose a narration or storytelling style. You can also use the filter to find the perfect voice. I'm going with this one. Just click Use to select your voice. Next, go to your Google Docs, copy the script, and paste it into 11 Labs. Click Voice again and choose the voice you selected earlier. Once you're ready, click Generate Speech. In less than 3 seconds, your voiceover will be ready. Repeat this process to generate the complete audio for your video. Once you get all your voice, just go to the next step, visuals. As promised, we're making this completely free. We'll use royalty-free footage for the video. You can find great clips on websites like Pixabay, Artlist, FreePic, and Pexels. Let's start by going to Pixabay and selecting Video. Set the orientation to horizontal, then search for elephant footage. You'll get stunning clips for your video in no time. Just select the footage and click Download to download the video. Make sure to try out all the sites I mentioned to get the best visuals for your project. Once you get enough footage for our video, move to final step, editing. Now, let's arrange everything in a video editor using CapCut. Follow these steps, open CapCut on your PC and select Create New Project. Click Import and upload all your audio files first. Bring each audio file into the editing panel by either clicking the plus button or dragging and dropping them. Select your first audio clip and increase the volume to 20 decibels. Go to Voice Changer. Choose MIG-HOG and set room size to 5 and strength to 7 for the best audio quality. Apply these settings to all your audio files. To do that, simply select the first clip and press Ctrl plus C to copy. Then select all the voice clips and press Ctrl plus Shift plus V to paste the settings to all. That's it, simple. Next, click Import and upload all your animal footage. Drag them into the editing panel. Sync the audio with the video footage. Now go to Transitions and apply the best transitions to make your video flow smoothly. Finally, add some visual effects that suit the theme of your video under the Effects tab. Your video will be polished and professional. Now, let's add background music to your video. Go to the website Chosic and browse for any music theme that fits your video. Choose a track that complements your video and download it for free. No need to worry about copyright issues. The music is royalty-free. Just make sure to copy and paste the credits into your YouTube description. Once downloaded, import the music music into CapCut and bring it to the editing panel. This will give your video the perfect finishing touch. Now, let's fine-tune the background music. Select the background music and reduce the volume to make sure it doesn't overpower the voiceover. Fill or loop the music so it covers the entire length of the video. Finally, select the music track and increase the fade-in and fade-out effects for smooth transitions at the beginning and end. This will create a professional and balanced audio experience. Now, let's add captions to your video. Click on Caption and choose your language. Then click Generate Caption. CapCut will generate captions in under 5 seconds. You can also customize the font in the text area to match your style. Select Animation and pick the best text animation style that fits your video. Once everything is set, click Export to finalize and export your video. You're all done. Here is the final result.
Did you know that elephants are more than just the giants of the animal kingdom? Welcome to an extraordinary journey into the world of one of the most majestic creatures on earth, the elephant. These gentle giants are more than just their impressive size. They are the keepers of ancient wisdom, the architects of their environment, and the guardians of deep emotional connections. These incredible creatures have emotions as deep as our own, memories that span a lifetime, and an intelligence that rivals even the smartest animals on the planet. From their complex social structures to their extraordinary journey through the wild, the life of an elephant is a story of strength, survival, and unbreakable bonds. In this video, we're diving deep into the incredible life of elephants, exploring their remarkable intelligence, complex social bonds, and the challenges they face in the wild. Get ready to be amazed by the hidden stories and surprising facts about these magnificent animals that will change the way you see them forever. Did you know elephants are among the most intelligent animals on the planet? Their brains weigh over 10 pounds, the largest of any land animal, and they use this brain power in some truly fascinating ways. Take their memory, for example. Elephants never forget, a phrase that's more than just a saying. In the wild, an elephant can remember the location of water sources across hundreds of miles, even if they haven't visited them in years. They can also recognize other elephants and even humans they haven't seen in decades. It's like they have a mental map and a Rolodex all rolled into one. But it's not just about survival skills. Elephants are deeply emotional beings. They experience joy, grief, and even compassion. Have you ever seen an elephant comforting a friend? It's a sight to behold. They wrap their trunks around each other, almost like a hug, offering comfort when one of them is upset. And when an elephant passes away, the herd mourns, often returning to the spot where their companion died, touching the bones with their trunks in a sort of farewell. And then, there's the playful side of elephants. Baby elephants, much like human children, are full of curiosity and love to play. They'll chase birds, roll in the mud, and even try to climb on their mothers, though that doesn't usually go as planned. Watching them at play is like watching pure joy in action. Now, let's talk about their social lives. Elephants live in tight-knit family groups, usually led by the oldest female, known as the matriarch. The matriarch isn't just a leader, she's the keeper of knowledge, guiding the herd to food, water, and safety. Her wisdom is crucial to the survival of the entire group. What's incredible is how they communicate. Elephants use a range of sounds, from trumpets to rumbles, and even infrasound, vibrations so low that humans can't hear them, but other elephants can feel them miles away. This helps them stay connected over vast distances, almost like having their own secret language. And let's not forget their amazing trunks. An elephant's trunk is a marvel of evolution, with over 40,000 muscles. They use it to breathe, drink, smell, and even show affection. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for a nose. But as magnificent as elephants are, they face serious challenges. Habitat loss, poaching, and human-elephant conflicts are putting their populations at risk. However, there's hope. Conservation efforts around the world are helping to protect these incredible animals, but there's still so much work to be done. By learning about elephants and supporting conservation, We can all play a part in ensuring these gentle giants continue to roam the earth for generations to come. So, what's the takeaway? Elephants are not just fascinating animals. They're vital to our planet's ecosystem. Their intelligence, emotions, and complex social structures make them one of the most incredible species on Earth. Next time you think of an elephant, remember that they are much more than just their size. They are creatures of wonder and wisdom. One thing is clear, these gentle giants are truly awe-inspiring. From their deep emotional bonds to their remarkable intelligence, elephants are much more than what meets the eye. They teach us about the power of memory, the importance of family, and the beauty of compassion. But remember, the future of elephants is in our hands. By spreading awareness and supporting conservation efforts, we can help protect these magnificent creatures and ensure they continue to thrive in the wild. Let's celebrate the wonders of the natural world and do our part to preserve it.
Stunning, right? Now you're all set to upload your first video. For those who stayed till the end, here's the secret you've been waiting for. I'm about to reveal how you can start making money from your very first video. Here's the big secret: affiliate marketing. Even though your channel isn't monetized yet, you can still earn money. Just follow this simple trick. Go to Google and search for an animal-related affiliate program. Sign up with any program that fits your niche and start adding the affiliate links in your YouTube video description. As your video gets more views, the chances of people clicking on your affiliate links and making a purchase go up. And the best part, this works with any niche. With just one video and a few well-placed affiliate links, you can start making money from your very first upload. If you found this video useful, subscribe to the channel, share feedback in the comment section, and turn on notifications for future updates.